Number 375. What is the length of the shortest side given that the area of the rectangle is 336 square feet? So here we have a picture. The length of the rectangle is 7x, the width is 3x. Area is length times width. The area is 336 square feet. The length is 7x. The width is 3x. 7 times 3 is 21. X times x is x squared. To get x squared by itself, we need to divide both sides by 21. Now, 336 divided by 21 is 16. 16 is equal to x squared. So to get x, we need to take the square root of both sides. The square root of x squared is x. The square root of 16 is 4. So x is 4. Now that we know that, we can find the length and the width. The length is 7x, or 7 times 4, which means that the length is 20. 7 times 4 is 28. And if the area is in square feet, the length is in feet. The width is 3x, which is 3 times 4. And 3 times 4 is 12, so the width is 12 feet. Now, we want to find the length of the shortest side. The shortest side is the width, and that's 12 feet. So that's the answer we're looking for.